So this is the finalized printed output of the 3D model. And you can see that it took 9 hours and 12 minutes, which is much shorter than the other typical printers to print this kind of scale. So from now we need to cleanse the remaining unsolidified resins from the final output. So first you need to wear these safety gloves for protection. And once you're done with it, you can now take out the platform out of the 3D printer. So in order to do that, first open the door, then scroll the plate out, and gently open the top. This resin also solidifies when exposed to natural or UV IR light, so you should try your best not to make it exposed for a long time. So in order to take out the platform, you need to first open the lid on the top. Open the lid on the top and gently pull out the platform. Yep. And close it again and shut the door. And you can now take this to this place. So these liquids are isopropyl alcohol. These are used to wipe out the remaining unsolidified resins. So using this scrape, for me I'll scrape out this TCPP porphyrin, gently pluck out, and it'll dip right in. And then using this, you need to wash it in the isopropyl alcohol for 10 minutes. It takes 10 minutes for the initial wipeout, and after 10 minutes has passed, you need to dip it in the second, more clean isopropyl alcohol and wipe it there for additional 10 minutes. So about 10 minutes has passed from stirring in this isopropyl alcohol. So once you're finished stirring, you can now move on to this. So this is what you call like a typical dryer. So you should open the top and put your output in the center and close the lid. If you click this, rays will shine the center platform and it'll solidify the remaining resins, which are still in the liquid state. So you typically do this for like 20 minutes, and after you're done, you can take out the supporting structures and your finalized output will be obtained. So once the solidification process is finished, you can now remove the supporting structures manually by hand. In some types of printouts, the bonds are almost the same size as the supporting structures, so in that case you should try really careful not to pluck the bonds out instead of the supporting structures. Yep, so this will be the final structure. Thank you.